Hello everyone, my name is Saad Afzal and I will teach you today English calligraphy. On the basic point, if you can teach it, you can do and write every English alphabet in like calligraphy. I mean, if you want to write clean and neat everything, you can do it. Put marker in your hand. If you are going upward, you make sure you put marker in full size, and you come from upward, you can touch only the corner of marker. If you can do it, your calligraphy will make sure they are good.